Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video today we're carrying on the Carpenter's journey and we're checking out Rainy Days and Mondays. And rainy days can be good, Mondays can be good, but normally they're not the best days to have. So let's get right into it for today. Let's go. Okay, yeah, this definitely does sound sad. And rainy days and Mondays can be like that.
Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. I don't belong. Walking around,
I'm really liking this.
Some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Okay, I'm just gonna pause to get my thoughts. I mean, Karen, she's a great singer. I love her. She is absolutely incredible. Rest in peace, of course. And the Carpenters, they made so many great songs. I'm kind of going down the rabbit hole. I heard a few songs before. And this song, Rainy Days and Mondays, sometimes it can be like that. Mondays, you gotta go back to work, and it's raining in the morning especially. You're like, oh man, I really don't want to do this, but you gotta do it.
Lonely cloud, rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me.
Oh, that's quite nice.
Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. What it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Oh, saxophone solo. Yes, let's go again. I always love the saxophone.
Seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around. Me down.
Okay. Wow. They really do have a lot of hits, man. Like going through the catalog, you hear songs that you weren't really expecting to hear. But this one, it really does stand out to me because, man, I suffer with depression quite a lot. It really is so annoying. And some days you just feel really, really down. It kills you inside. Like you're really hurting. You're just so sad and miserable, and it's hard. But this is something I probably listen to like walking. Like I like to walk, take my mind off things. Sometimes you kind of I'd like a song like this, and I feel it definitely is very relatable. Especially rainy days can be good when it's been hot, But yeah, when you have to go to work and it's raining outside and you're thinking, man, oh, especially rainy days and Mondays going to work after the weekends. I feel it there. It really does get me down too. So yeah, rest in peace to Karen Carpenter, of course. Like what could have been? They were massive. They have quite a lot of good songs. I'm kind of going down the catalog here and even more, but man, they had so many hits. They really could have been. Man, they could have made so many more hits. It's really sad what happened to her. It really is a tragic tale, but her talent is unmatched. I love the saxophone. I love the accordion. The drums played by her as well. What a talent this group is. So let me know your thoughts about this song, and can you relate to it? Sadly, I don't want to relate to lyrics, but I can relate to lyrics. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, everyone.